What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. You guys, I'm here in Dollar Tree and I'm finding lots and lots of nice items. So definitely check out my last video. For example, I found these super cute and tiny and sturdy desk lamps. So you guys don't miss a single video. Turn on notifications so you can see all the deals. You guys, they have some really cute items in here this week and some really high value items as well. I just came across these. These are going for about $15 on eBay. These are the simple style decorative mesh rolls. 21 inches by 10 yards. Look at this, you guys. Are you serious? I mean, normally we see little rolls of things, right? Little tiny rolls of things. So of course, seeing this is like, wow, that's a really good deal. But okay, you guys, I'm gonna put these in my cart and we are gonna head on over to the next aisle. I always like to look at the cleaning supplies, see what's new and what's in stock for the week. It looks like Lysol is back in stock, the little ones you hang in your toilets. Let's see if we have any wipes this week. I haven't seen the wipes in the spray for a while. We do have some antibacterial cleaners though, if you're looking for something like that. And it looks like this week, hand soap is out of stock once again. I'm gonna tell you guys something that I'm definitely gonna get more of. My boys really like this Coast. I'm trying to see if it was this one or this one. 4-ounce bars. I think it's this one that I got. They really like it. I'm gonna get a couple more. Smells really nice. It lathers really nice. And the bars are big. Let's see if we have any new hygiene or name brand medication this week. Ooh, Ricolas are back. Ricola. 10 drops though. It's kind of the smaller bag. We have hydrocortisone, triple antibiotic, anti-itch, pain relief balm, A&D, athlete's foot cream, muscle rub, psoriasis cream, hemorrhoidal cream. We have a 20-pack of pain relief patches, the hot patches, the Absorbing Junior Plus patches, the little ice packs, the contact lens cases, the various wrist and ankle supports, earplugs, cotton swabs, just a tiny little box, the first aid kits, it's a travel size, the paper tape, the rolled gauze, and we even have a waterproof tape. That's really good to have on hand if you have a really big cut and you need to hold the bandage on, like while showering or, you know, being in water.
Brian, 9-1.
And then of course over here we have all the ibuprofens, plenty of cough drops. These are amazing, you guys. I love these. These are just like Hall's Defense. These are a perfect dupe for Hall's Defense. And I think these are trying to be like Ricola. Oh yeah, compare to active ingredients in Ricola and you get 18 in a bag. Hair, skin, and nail gummies. I think those are new. They even have some little whitening strips. 4 strips, so that's 2 treatments if you want to do top and bottom. Oh, this is back. The oral analgesic gel. This is compared to Oragel. Now my oldest son, his wisdom teeth are giving him a lot of problems and we are on the list to get in during quarantine, we were on a list and it just kept getting pushed back further and further due to closures. So I was in here looking for this last week and I couldn't find it. And then I ended up spending almost $4 getting some in Walmart. So I think I'm gonna pick up one of these. He's just having the gum pain. They haven't popped through, but he is having a lot of pain. Just a real tight fit. I guess it feels really uncomfortable. Let me know if you guys ever got your wisdom teeth in or if you got them removed, because me, I don't have any. Mine never showed up on the x-rays and I never got them removed. I just have no wisdom teeth. Okay, let's see what we have over here that might be new. I feel like some of these kiss polishes are back in stock. I feel like I want to get this one color I've been seeing a lot. I feel like I want to try this color. Looks really pretty. I'm gonna think about it. I have so much nail polish at home. I started looking through my polishes yesterday and I was like, let me make sure I don't have something like that before I go and buy it. Oh my gosh, you guys look, Biore. A little 2.5 ounce of Biore. This is the charcoal micellar water. What? It's here, you guys. Name brand stuff. It's little, but it's worth a try for $1. Oh my gosh, you guys. Wow. I am so excited to share these with you. I think I'm going to share these with you in a live stream. Now, by the time you guys are watching this, you already would have seen this in the live stream if you caught my live. But you guys, we have $1 e.l.f. stipple brushes here. And then we have even more up here with the black. And then we have a powder brush. What? Even more stipple brushes. And then we have a color correcting stick to correct red. I think that's all we have is the red correcting color stick. Wow, that is exciting because I love e.l.f., you guys. I love e.l.f. and I love Wet n Wild. Their brushes are amazing too. Like, this is actually my all-time favorite eyeshadow brush right here. I love it so, so much. And then we still have some hard candy here. This is a eye brightening concealer. And then we also have the 12-hour mechanical gel eyeliner. I got this last week, but I haven't tried it yet. We also have this Wet n Wild angled liner brush. Let's see if we have anything else new over here, because I'm just about to end this video and get ready to go live. I cannot wait to show those to you guys during the live. You guys love it when I show you the name brands in here. I love finding name brands in here. That is my most favorite thing about shopping in Dollar Tree, finding full-size name brand products. Let's see if we have anything new for baby. Oh, I think these are new. They're so cute. And then we have some really adorable kitties and some monkeys and some hippos. These are so cute. I love the pink so, so much. And the super cute bibs are still here. The little drool bibs, the bandana bibs. And then they have the Baby Love Petroleum Jelly here. This has been here for some years. This is actually a name brand item. The brand Baby Love is not by Greenbrier, and it's 100% paraben free. It's petroleum jelly. It's in baby soft scent. It smells like baby powder. And then they have wipes including Huggies Fragrance Free. These cereals are here this week, 20% more. 12 ounces for $1. They're not name brand, but 12 ounces is pretty good. We always have Humex. We have V8 singles. The Select Soy plant-based is still here. We also have almond vanilla. Last week I found the Monster drinks. I'll show you guys the ones really quick. They're in the cooler or the fridge, whatever you want to call it. But I know these definitely go for like probably around $3. These ones. The Mean Green Hydro, 25.4 ounces. That is definitely a great deal to be able to get it here. Well, hey you guys, that's it for me here in Dollar Tree. Definitely hit that notification bell and come back tomorrow or during my next Dollar Tree video. I share videos daily. There are so many nice deals in here this week. You guys don't want to miss it. Dollar Tree is one of those places you have to come in here at least once a week so you don't miss the deals. But hey you guys, I'm out of here and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.